Welcome back guys, another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be giving you a clear update about Ethereum market analysis, because in our last video I was trying to tell you that Ethereum at the moment is currently playing around the level of 1700, but we're expecting Ethereum to crash all the way from 1700 to either $800 or $900. So now stay with me still to the end of this video. I think we'll have learned a lot. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing our video, and also signing up with our reliable crypto broker, which is Binance. Now currently I'm watching the Ethereum chart using TradingView, but I can see now, if you are an investor or a trader focusing on Ethereum, at the moment Ethereum is a little bit consolidating, but it has made a first. I can see we have a reversal pattern, which is head and shoulders pattern. Now anytime we're going to see big spikes over the Ethereum collapsing to the downside. Now what are you going to do at the moment? If it has broken this level of 1500, that means now this level no longer holds for support, but now it has clearly given us an indication that we are still in a bear market. Ethereum is still crashing. Now the next level we are looking at is 1300. That is our next support level, where we're expecting Ethereum to a little bit consolidate before dropping again, or we might see a big spike breaking this level, dropping all the way to the downside. Now what is the clear indicator about the market at the moment? If you're investing in the Ethereum market, please consider one thing is to first be patient with your portfolio. Even if you're in a big drawdown, wait for Ethereum at least to respect the level of $800 or $900, or waiting for Ethereum to reach all the way to the level of $600, because all these levels, if I try to zoom in, it's possible for Ethereum to make a pullback to drop all the way to these levels. It can also drop back to $300. Why? We are still in a bear market. We haven't spotted any signs of a bull market. Now I just wanted to give you a clear update about Ethereum market, because I can see at the moment it is respecting our analysis. Now if you're there and trying to or hoping to buy Ethereum at the moment, first give it some time, because we are still in a downtrend.